Hello, hello, hello. Hey YouTube fam. Today's video is all about credit cards. I want to let you know how I got $55,000 in credit in the last 30 days, right after this intro. Thanks for returning back to the channel. I'm Katina, and this channel is all about business funding, entrepreneurship, credit, and real estate. I know I'm all over the place, but I'm a serial entrepreneur, and these are things that I have studied and somewhat mastered. So I love to share the information with others. Now, if this is your first time on this channel, be sure to subscribe. This way you will get notified every time I post a money-making video. All right. So let's talk credit. All right. Now, all of these are not even all the cards I have, but I'm specifically going to talk about these top 5 right here. All right. So the most recent card I got was this American Express Platinum. This card is heavy. All right. This card got some weight to it. All right. But this is a card that does have an annual fee, but you know, it is one of those cards where you can maximize it, and it has spending power. So, you know, this card is based on performance. So whatever I spend and pay on time, they will continue to give me more and give me little increases. This American Express Platinum, this is the only one that does have an annual fee, and this card is bomb. Okay, this card, you know, your spending power increases every time you use it, or monthly, right? So this card's heavy too. It's got some weight to it. All right, but this card lets you know from the jump, I'm special, I'm different. And you know, it came in this nice little package. You know, this card is different. So this one's a winner. All right. I talked about this Navy Fed card. Okay, now this is a personal card, and this American Express is a business card. Okay, now I also did a video talking about the American Express Delta Sky Miles. Now this is the business, and this is the personal. All right, so these are my top 5 because these are the ones that got me there in the last 60 days. And then this here's my PayPal business, right? So I got 2 personal and 3 business in the last 30 days. And this is why I tell people often, get a business. Even if you don't have a business idea yet, just do it. All right, just come up with a name, a general name, and put consulting behind it. But just get started so that you can start building business credit. All right, so before I get to 3 steps that will help increase your credit score in 30 days, I want to let you know that when I talk about these credit cards I got, I'm not trying to flex on nobody. I am simply sharing information that I wish somebody had told me sooner. Let's get into 3 steps that'll help you increase your credit score within 30 days. Now, first step, you really want to pull your credit report. All right. You get a free report on annualcreditreport.com every single month. You want to know what is on there and what is negative. That's step number 1. All right. If you continue to avoid and ignore the problem, you won't be able to repair the problem. So step 1, get your credit report, and you want to start to monitor it. Now, I do recommend MyScore IQ. Step number 2. Now, if you are a renter, all right, if you're a renter, you want to start reporting your rent payments. You can self-report your rent payments with Rent Reporters and with Boom. Now, I do recommend Boom because Boom reports to all 3 credit bureaus. All right, but you can self-report this without your landlord. All right, so that is an easy way to boost your credit score fast, and you can backdate it. Now, for homeowners, if you need a quick boost in your credit score, you might want to consider getting a secured loan with your local credit union, all right, or even PenFed. That's one of the popular credit unions right now that is allowing people to do secured loans, and then it reports to your credit bureau, and then eventually you can get some real loans, that are just, regular loans. Now, if you learned anything so far in this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And if you got any questions or comments, drop them in the comment section below. I answer and respond to each and every one. Now, the third way to quickly increase your credit score in 30 days is to become an authorized user on somebody's account. Now, typically you want to use an older person who doesn't spend a lot in credit, like a grandma or an older aunt or a mom. All right. That will help your credit score definitely shoot up 30 points if you find somebody who has a longer and better credit history than you. All right. So say, for example, you didn't start building credit until 10 years ago, but you have a grandma or an older aunt who's had credit for 50 years and it's positive, or they're never late. That can help to increase your credit score. So you want to have a conversation and just let them know you don't need the card, but you're trying to, start a business or buy a house, and, it would really help. And let them know too, you don't even need to get the card, but you want to help them and make sure that the payments are made on time. Now, on to the business credit. There are so many ways to build business credit and to start getting these credit cards in your business name. And, that's the reason I have multiple master classes and products and cheat sheets on how to build your business credit. So I'm going to put all that information in the description box below. You definitely want to start building business credit as soon as possible so that you can get cards that are not reporting on your personal credit score. And ultimately, it just helps you to have a stronger credit profile. All right, so why would anybody want this many credit cards? Well, having access to credit helps you to get further faster. Credit cards are no longer just for emergencies. They are for building businesses, for having access to resources in case you want to start an Airbnb and need to furnish it, in case you are in the Detroit or the Cleveland market and you want to buy a house that's under $20,000. That is what credit is for. It is for helping you to get further faster financially and in life. All right. And part of the problem and the reason we were taught different, or that credit is bad, is because we were not taught how to properly use it. Right. So, when I got these credit cards, in the last 30 days, I didn't go out and on a spending spree and start buying things that I couldn't afford with cash. I'm saving them for a amazing opportunity, which I know is looking for me, which is likely a discount real estate property. That's what I'm shooting for. All right, YouTube fam, that's it on how I got $55,000 in credit cards in the last 30 days and how you can too if you increase your credit score. All right, so that is it for today. Thank you for watching. Click that like button. It greatly helps with the YouTube algorithm and it supports the channel. I'm Katina Willis. I'll see you next time. Hello. I'm going to talk on my credit card phone again. Hello. Bye.